Hey Lily, how are you?
Good.
All right, so today, since Thanksgiving's on the weekend, I think we should do a.
Turkey.
All right, so let's do a turkey. Ready? So we're just going to use a marker today, just simple paper and foam on the back, okay? So we're going to start with, how about an eye? Okay, so an eye shape. So let's just do near the top, just a circle, okay? So like, all right, great, like that. So what kind of, do you think turkeys are smart animals?
Dumb.
Okay, so they're a little dumb. Okay, that's the kind of character we'll create. Okay, so this is the eye, and this we're gonna add a pupil. Okay, I'm gonna make my pupil like that. Okay. Nice. Then from here, I'm gonna do a straight line up, a little straight line like that. Okay, now I'm gonna draw the beak area. Okay, so just like a shape like that, and then like that. And out. Doesn't matter. Yeah, it's good. Then a straight line up. That. And another eye on this side. I'm gonna make the eye up here. It's like duh. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add Thanksgiving hat. Just nice and big and round at the top. Yeah, that's good. And then a little box. It's good. Next, ready? We're gonna draw a straight line from here down.
Gobble.
Well, not yet. Soon is gobble gobble. Like that. So from the eye all the way down and around. And then another one.
So
Now,
this is gobble?
now is gobble gobble. So we'll start on this side and then and another one
Right.
on this side right over here. Good. And then you can connect another line up like that. Nice. Now we're going to do his body area. Okay, so nice round.
That's a nice turkey.
You like it? And then his little wing area here. So a nice circle like that. Another one like that. Another one like that. Good. Now his feet. Straight lines like that.
He's gonna have really small feet.
Yeah, mine is near the bottom of the page. So. Okay, next. Somebody in school, don't they put your like hand to create the back? Is that how they do that? Or do they do a leaf? Oh, you haven't done it yet? I can't remember how they used to do that. But anyways, we'll just draw circles and stuff for the little feathers at the back. So this, that. Nice. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little buckle on the top of the hat. Great. Are you going to add eyelashes to yours or no?
No.
Okay. I might add eyelashes to mine. It's funny. Okay, so now I think it's ready to color. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so let's color it.
I'm gonna do mine red.
Wow. Okay, I'm going to do mine brown. I'm going to get another sheet over here so I can test out mine. All right? How's it looking?
Are turkeys usually red?
I think they're like brown and red. I think the red part may be the gobble gobbles.
Oh yeah. And I'm gonna make him a brown head.
Okay.
And then yeah, the gobble gobble.
Thanks, Lily. So how's your day going?
Good.
Yeah. You looking forward to the weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you looking forward to doing? You like your turkey dinners or
chicken dinner?
That's okay. That's good.
Why do you color like the side darker?
The side I color because I like to use the side because it fills in the bigger areas for me. So yeah, I like to hold it on the side.
It feels uncomfortable.
Does it? Well, I try to use like if there's like I peel it off a bit and then I just put it like this. If it's uncomfortable, then don't worry about it.
It's cool.
Mm-hmm. Nice though. Is there a light brown anywhere? Do you see any light brown? Maybe this might work. That's probably what I was looking for. It's like an orangey light brown kind of thing. It's good?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
I'll color the eyes a little. What color are the eyes, do you think? Blue or like around it? What do you think? Or green?
Mine's gonna have
Should it blue?
blue. No. Brown. Yeah, this.
Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, maybe that color. Let's try. It's kind of funny. Look. I think that's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. Add this. Little highlights.
Can I try?
Of course you can. Oh yeah. That's funny. Good job.
Thank you. How do you do your grass?
So what I like to do is I like starting with a marker first. I test it out just to make sure it's the right green. And then I just do little lines like this, like that. So kind of, and then sometimes little shapes like that. I vary the shapes up like this. But I don't do too much, of course.
After you?
Of course, and then a little shadow underneath their feet like that. Sometimes that helps. Go for it. And then I'll do the pencils and crayons and stuff like that. Yeah, just loose. And then I do the crayon over top, like that, right? Then I can add little spikies of the grass like that. As falls, there might be like leaves on the ground too, right? So. Nice though. Make sure it goes all the way up to the feet, right? Nice. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. It's great, Lily.
Are you going to sign it?
Of course. You ready? Let's sign it. And I'll sign mine with yours. Nice. And I'll sign mine. And we'll put it together like that. And what do we say?
Gobble, gobble.
Happy Thanksgiving.
All right.
That's okay. It doesn't matter. All right. High five. Good job, Lily.